Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be scrapping some random stuff for copper. My first item is a projector. Let's scrap it. So first of all, we have to always turn it to the back to take out 4 little screws they have in here. So I'm gonna unscrew it. Now about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. I just have to unscrew them all out. My first time scrapping a projector, so be excited to see what's in there. One more screw. Screw here. Turn it back upside down. The screws is still stuck in there. What's the next? So many random screws in here. Okay, that should do it. Just noticed they got 2 other screws hidden on there, so I need to take it off. Hopefully that should slide out easily. It's coming out. Oh, here we go. We're inside of it. Get this wire cut out. So that's just plastic. So hidden wires in here. Otherwise it's just plastic. So what have we in here? Okay, it looks like a lamp in here with some lenses in here. We got some copper motor here. And the next one, so this one will be copper and this one will be aluminum. So let's get into it. Let's unscrew it all. So this projector I found was dumpster diving. Tried it on, put it on, it's not working, so scrap it out. More screws out here. And then we're going to take off the lens out. Hiya, babes.
Hello.
And the first little motor out first, with a little circuit board and some more wires. I'm gonna cut this wire out. The motor, some wires with a little circuit board. Get the transformer out. Get a few wires, cut the wires out. And here we go. copper and aluminum. Nice. Just gonna go ahead and clean all of this out, all the plastic, to get the motor out of here. And there's another motor here. Cut the wires, copper in here. We're gonna take it off later. Some nice thick copper here. Anything is interesting. Let's see what's in here. Some more screws in the bottom. I'll just get this out like this. Some nice lens. Ooh. I broke this one. So nothing really interested in here, just the bulb. A little bit of steel metal. So that's the first one. So we got some copper, some brass, some wirings, motor and steel, and this nice transformer with copper and aluminum, and a few lenses. So that's just for the projector, and lots of plastic. As you get it, they'll have more plastic than materials. On to the next one. With the Skybox, I hunt for the circuit board and the hard drive it got in here. I'll show you how we open it. We got some screws in this hole in here, so we just unscrew it in here. Screw right here. And you're gonna have to break the seal. Seal is broken. And if you open where the card goes, you pull the card out. No longer in use, and they got another screw here. Oops, and then you have a little clip, this clip here, so clip it up just like that. Some more screws at the side panel right here. And with this, you just, if this one, you raise it up. 1 minute. You raise it up just like that. It's gonna come out on one side. Then you unscrew the other side. So it pulls it out, should unlock it. Clips and pull it out. Plastic waste always. And with this clip here, it will just slide out. out of it. So that's the sleeve. Then we just got a whole steel case. So the steel case, they have some little clips here. These little clips, you just use your pliers, take off the clips at the side. These clips here, just twist it out so you can take off this circuit board. Let's have a little pin in here, and then that should come out easily. You got some more little clips here. If you notice how it is, so you just take the pliers and twist it so it will be straight. You got another one here, and another one here. Or we can find the clips, and then it should be easy to come out. Take the wires off here, and I got all of that. So this is gonna go in one bucket. And again, more screws. So at the moment we have a skybox. A lot of the screws is Phillips screwdriver, so it should be easy. Just need to take this clip out. It's all gone. Flathead screwdriver. Just press it on with the steel like that, and it should open easily. So we've got steel cover. And then we're gonna have to take off all of these wires in here. Chop this off. So that's the wires for the hard drive, the red one. I'm gonna pull the wires out. And just cut that wire out. Simple. Cut this out. We're gonna be scrapping it. That's more wires. Every little helps. Okay, so with these boards, they have a screw up here. You take off the screw. They have a little fan on here, so you take off the connection to the fan. And you got a nice aluminum heat sink right here. Have a little bit of paint, so it will be extruded aluminum. So we're gonna take off the rest of the screws at the side here before we take the circuit board out. So them screws are holding all of these circuit boards here, so we need to take it out so it can come out nice and easily. Okay. This, I've got a smaller one here. Get a smaller screwdriver. Then you just take your pliers, and with this, you just unscrew it with your pliers. Oopsie doopsie. Okay, hopefully this will do it. Took off all the screws out here. So the circuit board, they got this connector here, so you're gonna have to unconnect it. Did I take off all the screws properly? Oh, I forgot one thing, sorry. You need to take off these little washer bolts here too. Just forgot about these. Take off these. Easy. And it came out. So as you can see, they got some copper in here, so I'll cut all of these little bits, micro scrapping. Okay, so now we're down in the belly. So they should have an other screw on this circuit board, so we'll take it out. And with some metal clips at the side, just take them clips out. And hopefully that should just spring up nicely. If I don't miss any more screws here, I did. I got one more screw at the back here. Let's take it out. Okay. This should be done. Alright, so that should come out easily now. Here we go. So we got some more copper contents here, transformer, and some of these gold plated pins. More copper, so you're going to micro scrap all of these and then put the motherboard in one place. And we got the fan. It got a little motor in there, so definitely we're going to get it out. So I got a DC motor. Can use it for a project. And now we're gonna go for the hard drive. So the hard drive have a few screws at the sides. Take it out carefully. And it comes with more little clips, if you can see it in here. You get the clip out. There we go. So this is just a empty steel case. And with the hard drive, we got some aluminum at the side here. And then we take off these other two screws. And here we go. We got a nice 500 gigabyte hard drive. If you want, you can use it for storage, but me, I scrap it for the aluminum on the stainless steel on here. Nice. So yeah, the skybox, we got the steel case, we got a fan motor, hard drive, motherboard for micro scrapping, aluminum, and some steel. Nice. And a little bit of plastic waste as always. So the next one we got is a kitchen extractor fan motor. Heavy duty. Let's see what cover we can find in there. It's all Phillips screwdriver screws, so Phillips screwdriver using for the time being. Okay. Press that down. Let's pull this plastic out. Then take a flathead screwdriver and then just yank the middle bit out here. This just pops right up. Some steel. There we go. So the copper is inside of this plastic bit here. So took off the shaft. Got the magnet around it here. I will bash this one open in a minute, but that's how it looks inside when you break open the plastic. So that's how it looks. And then, okay, so now I got the hammer. Let's bash things about. Oh yes. Whilst I'm doing this, make sure you have your eye protection. You need it because a lot of bits always flies, especially when all this plastic is coming out. You definitely will need it. Just broke it in half. As you can see, they got a circuit board at the bottom and all this copper is in here. I'm not going to go all into it. I don't want to bore everybody, but just so what I do, I'm going to clean all the plastic around here, and then I'm just going to unwind all. So it have in the compartment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they got 10 of them, and I got about 15 of these motors. So yeah, that's some nice copper in here, some nice magnet. So yeah, so this is all the copper you can find out of this motor. Some steel, magnet, and more steel. Let's go to do the next one. Okay, now we got this out of a PC tower. It's a heat sink. So you got a copper nugget in the middle and with aluminum. Let me show you how to take it out. So you got a visor. Put it in here. Open up a little bit in the alley. And just Then you grab a flathead screwdriver, if I could find my one. If you can find a flathead screwdriver, need to loosen it out. A bit of pliers, push it in between. So flathead screwdriver, the best to use. Then separate the aluminum to a lovely copper nugget. Nice. Just this nugget alone weighs 61 grams. I got a few of them to scrap out, so really nice. So now we got the car battery charger. As always, you always have to take off screws. Let's take them out. So car battery, you know what we're scrapping it for the battery. And with some little wires in there. So we're gonna take off these first screws. Not yet. Need to loosen it up a little bit more. Okay, flathead screwdriver, where are you? Alright, so the car battery, it comes with a fuse. And take it off. So sometimes if it's not working, maybe you have to change the fuse of it. If it's not the fuse, you open up and see if it's any wire problems. I think I unscrew this one properly. I've missed some of them screws in here. So hopefully, oh, there we go. So I was wrong. It's not a battery. Normally when I scrap these, you find a battery in there, but this one has a huge transformer with, I don't know if it's copper and aluminum, but that's a big transformer. Wow, very nice. Let me see how I could unscrew this. There we go. Cut some of the wires. Clean this up so you can get some nice aluminum. It's nice clean alley. Circuit board out. There we go. Just need to cut these wires in here. There we go. That's it. Plastic. Cut out this. And this one, so it's still red, so that will be copper. Hopefully both of them is copper. That's nice. So as you can see, transformer, aluminum, bit of wire, circuit board for project with the lights. So I just checked, it is copper. So we got copper. So this will be scrapped out. And I've checked this one too. So these two are copper. So this is thicker wire and the thinner wires. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I did. And I'll see you on the next one. See you later.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.